Welcome. If you want to lock apps with password on your VIVO Y11s, at the first you have to go for the settings, then scroll down and find security, and here we have to go for the privacy and app encryption. Right now create the privacy password, confirm, answer the question if you are going to forget. If you will forget the password, click done, click to the app encryption, and just pick up the app that you want to lock. So I will go for the Instagram, click on the switcher, then you can simply go back and just try to open this app. And as you can see right now, we have to input our privacy password to enter this application. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.